poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Make sure you subscribe, okay, and click that bell so you can get notified every time I drop a video. All right, y'all, so as you can tell by the title, today I will be reviewing this curly unit that I have in. So the wig I have on today is a 24-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig. It says the fake scalp pre-plucked, and it is 150% density. So let me, One, my thumb is orange. I just finished cooking. Firstly, let's talk about the price. Now this wig came up to $136. I think that's a very good price. Plus, I have a promo code with them. If you use my promo code, you'll get $5 off your purchase, which is better because if the wig is already cheap and then you're getting $5 off, like, you can't, like, okay, we like this, we like where this is going. As of right now, I just checked today, and the price for the for 24 inches went all the way down to $128.45. I think it's a very good price. It is way under $200, under $150 for 24 inches. This could be something that it might be an investment for you, but it can last you very long if you take care of it. But we're gonna talk about the deets and is this hair worth the buy. So let me show you guys how long it looks on me. If I bring it to the front, it's coming under my boobs, so like mid my ribs. I don't know what this is, like mid stomach area. If we pull it, it's to my hips. Period. And then from the back, this is how it looks. You can see it comes down above my like pants line. Let's get into the question that you need answered about this hair. So firstly, does the hair shed? Yes, it does shed. So I ended up bleaching the knots on this wig, and it was shedding when I was washing it, and I was getting a little nervous because I didn't like over bleach it like my last wig, but it was shedding a little bit. And then when I run my hands, like, okay, I'm not even gonna run my hands through it, I'm just gonna literally pull from the bottom, and like you get a strand. Like I literally have you can't see that. Can you see that? Can't see it on my forehead. This is one strand, so I'm gonna put it on my forehead so y'all can see it. But yeah, I just got one strand, and that's just on this one portion I pulled. So it does shed a little bit. It has not been OD because I've had hair that sheds really bad. I will be doing an update on this hair, so as of right now, the shedding is very minimal. Next, there's a tangle. In its dry state, like kind of like I can't just run my hands like straight through it like butter, but then again, dry curly hair, like I kind of, that's what you're gonna get, like, you feel me? But when I put water on it, it runs through. There's no like problem. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that it's versatile. So I have my eyes on having my hair in a middle part, so I love that I have it in the middle part. But yeah, and I laid out this frontal. Oh, I feel like this is one of my top installs. I'm not even gonna cap. This is one of my top installs. But what I like about this hair is it is versatile. So I do have like goals on wearing it in like those deep side parts, like the, the kind of messy side part look. Also with the frontal, the way I laid it down, and I'll show you guys pictures of because right now it's in a middle part. Like I have it set to a middle part. But when I first put it on, some wigs, it's kind of like already comes in a part, so it's hard for you to do like those half up, half downs. But with this, it actually does not come with like a set part, so you can move it around. It's a free parting space, so I can do like those little cute styles, like the half up, half down, 2 pigtails. Like you can do like the little bun at the top if that's what you want to try to do. So it's very versatile, and I like that about the hair. Something that I don't like, a con, would be the curl pattern. But what I noticed is the curl pattern on the frontal is actually like very tight and nice, but then the curl pattern on the like actual, the other part of the hair, but like the bundles that they use, is looser. So I don't know if y'all can see it. I might just be being extra or being like very like pinpointing little things, but like the frontal is like very cute curls. But then if you look at the back, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it just looks, my thumb is so orange, but it just looks like the curl pattern is just not the same to me. I notice it when I stand up. Like, I feel like it looks straight, kind of. It don't look like super curly. So the shipping of this item, the shipping did not take too long. It took about, I think it took like 5 days. It scared me because they made it seem like it was gonna come like in 13 days, and I was like, what the heck? But the tracking information kind of updated last minute, but they ended up, you know, sending it to me within like, I believe it was like 4 or 5 days. I can't really remember. Basically, what I want to do now is I just kind of want to show you guys a demo of, you know, me detangling the hair and showing you guys what it looks like when it is wet. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. And you know, I just want to know what you guys think about the hair. Do you guys think you're gonna get it? Basically with my channel, I'm noticing that I feel like I want to go back into the beauty lane. This is what I originally started with. So with that being said, I really want to just kind of be able to bring you guys beauty videos, whether it be hair, makeup, skincare, or you know, things like that. But I want to make sure that they're very affordable, because I'm noticing a lot of my subscribers, they're younger girls, and you guys don't have time to be dropping $300 on hair. That's not fair to you guys, because I don't want to do that. So why should y'all? So I'm like kind of on a hunt right now of finding inexpensive companies, and as of right now, I am paying out of pocket, which I have no problem doing that because it's for the greater good. I'm looking out for my girls. So yeah, I just wanted to, like, you know, let you guys know that that's kind of like where I'm kind of aiming with my channel. I'm still going to be doing things like story time, still going to be doing things like vlogs, but I'm not really in the prank lane anymore. I don't think I really want to do things like that as of right now. Who knows, it could change, but as of right now, I think this is the path I want to go. All right, y'all, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like this video, because if I see the likes is up, I know this is what y'all like to see. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I mean, by now you should have subscribed, but if you forgot, I'm gonna tell you again, because you might not see this pretty face, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn my post notifications on if they're not already on, and so you can be notified every time I drop a video, like, duh. All right, y'all, so I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye guys.